Hi, mate. So let's look here at near. You're looking for a bounce tomorrow. Today could be a reversal doji. Well, the standout thing here is obviously that the weekly candle is had a really bad rejection, really bad sell off, and the fact that we're down on the lows here, but into the close of these candles, sometimes there can be a bounce and sometimes there can be a bit of a wick. So with what you said, you're looking for it to be a doji candle today and a bit of a bounce. Well, the 2 week here is also a large wick. At some point, this will come back up and take liquidity in this wick as well. And also sometimes it actually likes to close a little bit more, a bigger body on the candle. So that's the hope. That's what you want tomorrow, is you want to see it kind of close and bounce a bit more. Now this is a 3 day reversal. It's a 3 day potential bounce. So at this point you have to think that you're in with a shot here at getting this bounce tomorrow. Last time we had one. Well, we had one here, as you can see here, and there was more upside. We had one here. There was slightly more upside. We had one here, and there was sort of slightly more upside, at least. So, like all of those examples there, and even here, there was more upside. So, can there be a bit of a bounce? You have to think that there's a good chance that there's going to be some sort of a bounce into the weekend, or sorry, into the last day before a new 2 week. And on a new 2 week as well, you would expect a bounce up to take some liquidity off this bad reversal. It is choppy. It is a bit of a mess. There may be downside before there's even upside. That kind of way. It's not the best price action at all. So it is struggling a little bit. I'm not sure if you're in or not, or if you bought before, or what your thought process is. I would suggest, though, that there should be some more upside. I mean, you want the 3 day to stay green here. I mean, that's the ultimate goal. I do think that this is a per candle, but it should come back. There should be some sort of retracement. You seem to be looking to trade this at very near term. We don't even have the white 100 moving average here. This will form over here somewhere or whatever. Let's make that white. And this pattern, it should be a bullish weekly blueprint for success pattern that will eventually send near a lot higher. But that, of course, that needs development. It's not going to happen yet. But as a longer term play, I like near for higher prices. But yeah, for now, there's not even much point. Well, there's an hour and a half left. Yeah, an hour and a half left or whatever into the. It's worth a trade on a new day, right? And if it flips green on a new day, you just want to see if it can give that 3 to 5% bounce, back up.